Hey everyone, Ashley here, and to start out, I'm using the Milani Cosmetics Sterling Eyeshadow Stick, and I'm applying this all over the lid using little side-to-side motions, and then bringing it up a little bit past the crease. I'm wearing contact lenses in shade Precious Gray from Desio Lenses. I do have an affiliate discount code, AshleyKayla50 for 10% off. Next, I'm grabbing a Maven Beauty flat shader brush. I'm just blending that top edge, just diffusing all the edges to have a seamless look. Just kind of lightly feathering it out using a light hand, blending it upwards and outwards. Next, I'm going to be going in with a flat shader brush from Morphe, and then I'm using the 18CT Matte Essentials palette, dipping into the shade Chiffon. I'm gently sweeping this into the inner corner, bringing it upwards a little bit, and then sweeping it into the Sterling shade from Milani Cosmetics, like so. And then just kind of feathering out all the edges using a light hand to make everything diffused and seamless, just to brighten up the inner corner a bit. Next, I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush from Morphe from the Coca-Cola collection, and then I'm dipping into this nylon shade, and I'm gently kind of packing this onto the outer corner, using a little bit at a time. I want to slowly build the color up as I go. I'm mainly concentrating this onto the outer 1/4 of my eyelid, kind of creating a soft V shape in the outer corner as well. I also just want to add a little bit of depth to the outer corner. It gives it like a nice sultry smoky look on the outer corner. Once I have the outer corner all blended out and seamless, I'm grabbing a Morphe flat shader brush in the shade Nylon again and sweeping this onto the lower lash line, just the outer half, diffusing that bottom edge. Next, I'm drawing on an inner corner wing with a spotter brush from the craft store using Maven Beauty Lagoon eyeliner. Next, I'm grabbing the Loreal Infallible eyeliner in shade Blue Jersey Liner, lining my upper lash line, making this line a little bit thinner towards the inner corner and thicker towards the outer corner. I'm drawing this on in little feathering motions, slowly making my way towards the outer corner. I'm applying a little bit of this eyeliner to the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line and then flipping the eyeliner around to use the smudger to smudge this out a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with mascara and lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post, and I do have all the products listed down below if you want to check it out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!